wars 1900 to 1950 part 2. Part 1 13th chapter, the world between wars. Second part, the world between wars 1900 to 1950. First, the world between wars, first topic, first part, first world, second world war causes, effects, and universal adult franchise, women's rights, and so on. These lesson, first topic, Russian Socialist Revolution. Russian Socialist Revolution. Russia is a largest area country. Area is the largest country. Russia found in Europe and Asia. Russia found in Europe and Asia. I mean Eurasia. Russia first 20th century, beginning of the 20th century, population approximately 156 million. First, second, third place, on the world third place, Russia biggest population. Russia mostly consists some countries there. Some countries mean Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, etc. These countries also is called Russia. Russia means Soviets. These countries united together, Soviets. USSR. Russia is also called USSR. USSR means Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. USSR ruled by Tsar emperors. Tsar emperor's time, the Russian society divided mainly to groups there. Mainly some important groups there. Aristocrats, landlords, I mean feudal lords, common people, peasants, laborers, workers, soldiers, etc. The people fighting Russia. Russia revolution means the most important impact on society during the revolution. Russian revolution occurred in 1917. 1917, the Russian revolution of 1917. The Russian ruler means emperor, Tsar emperor. The emperor's name Tsar. The Tsar emperor Nicholas II. Tsar Nicholas II. Last emperor, Tsar emperor name Nicholas II. The administration also is very efficient administration. The Nicholas is completely supported by capitalists, supported by clergymen, supported the old regime. Nicholas followed the old regime, autocracy rule, I mean dictator rule. There is no powers in other groups. The powers is completely vested in Tsar emperor. There is no freedom in other groups. The powers is unquestioned powers. Tsar Nicholas II administration is very bad. I mean, Tsar time, the first World War period, especially the first World War time, 1914 to 1918 time. The period Russia very lost human loss and property loss also, and in Russia. In 1970, Russia is economy also is completely collapsed. Treasury also collapsed. The people, have food. Especially the women's, the 10,000 women's in Russia, the 10,000 women's passing, demonstrators passing on Saint Petersburg in Russia. The people demonstrations march, march revolution. March 8th, 1917. 1917 March, the people, the 10,000 people want to bread. The slogan is peace and bread. The women's need aggression, peace and bread. Peace and bread. The women's follow the demonstrators want to bread, peace and bread. The movement is also peace and bread. Movement is also March Revolution. The Russian Revolution, first revolution, the March Revolution. March Revolution time supported the women's also, some other groups also supported women's souls, workers, common people. The people also joined in movement, March Revolution movement. The movement spread out in the country, the other places. The Tsar Nicholas to send the army. The movement, March movement is completely suppressed by the Russian. At that time, the people also completely against the Nicholas II administration. Nicholas II administration. That time, the Tsar Empire abdicated by the people. People mean some liberals, anti-autocrats, important aristocrats and liberals. The movement is completely supported by liberals. After March Revolution, after government formed, one of the government, provisional government. The provisional government established Russia in 1917 March Revolution. The Russian Revolution, the revolution, first revolution, March Revolution. After March Revolution, after another important, most important revolution occurred in Russia. The revolution name October Revolution, 1917 October or November Revolution. October or November Revolution. October or November Revolution. Why October, November mean 1917 Russia followed the Julian calendar. Julian calendar and Gregorian calendar, two calendars there. Generally, majority in the world, majority countries followed the Gregorian calendar, especially Russia followed by Julian calendar. Julian calendar, Russian calendar, we had of 13 days. That time, the months also change. 13 days different. October and November Revolution. The history, October Revolution or November Revolution there. Another important revolution, October and November Revolution. 1970, one of the important, so many people, workers, peasants, the society, Russian society divided landlords and peasants. The war, the conflict revolt also between peasants and feudalism, feudal laws. The emperor also supported feudal laws. Peasants majority lands, I mean more lands in feudal laws. The peasants working lands, or the peasants rent the pay of the land of the rent and irrigation. I mean the peasants mean nothing but cultivators. That time, Russian Revolution time, the peasants' role is very important. Peasants, soldiers, workers, the people together is called Soviet. It's council. Soviet. Soviet mean soldiers, peasants, workers, etc. together is called Soviet. Russia is a USSR, it's also called USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. After October Revolution conducted by Bolshevik Party. Bolshevik Party. Bolshevik Party leader, I mean led by Vladimir Lenin. Vladimir Lenin. So many parties there nowadays in India also in world. 1917 time, one of the parties there, Bolshevik Party. Bolshevik Party is the main role played the October Revolution in 1917. On March 8, 1917, March Revolution. The March Revolution main carried by women's main need found the bread. The demonstrators also Saint Petersburg. The revolution is first revolution in Russia after another revolution, October Revolution. The revolution conducted by Bolshevik Party. Bolshevik Party leader Vladimir Lenin. The Lenin is a great leader in Russia. Lenin followed the socialist ideas. Karl Marx theory. Socialist founder, father of socialist, Karl Marx. The Karl Marx theory followed by the Lenin. Lenin implemented in Russia. I mean Russia is a socialist country, a communist country. Why Lenin followed the socialist ideas, theories. Already one of the government ruling there, the government, Tsar government. Tsar means the dictator government. I mean, is a monarchy government. The most powerful emperors. The powers also completely changed after March Revolution. After March Revolution, the education of the Nicholas and provisional government there. And after Bolshevik Party led by Lenin conducted the Socialist Revolution or October Revolution in Russia. I mean, Russia became a USSR, which year 1924. The Bolshevik Party some principles followed. Bolshevik Party principles first the land reforms. Land reforms, abolition of feudalism, completely nationalization of property. The property is completely distributing from the people. Autocracy rule is completed. Abolition of autocracy rule, I mean dictator rule. Bolshevik Party some manifesto introduced there. According to manifesto, Bolshevik Party after October Revolution, The Bolshevik party implemented so many programs there. The Bolshevik type, Russia is a completely 1917 October is completely Russia became a socialist country. After March Revolution, Russia provisional government. Provisional government also completely closed. Completely abolition. After October Revolution, the Russia is a completely socialist government. The government led by Lenin. Russia President Vladimir Lenin. Russia became a USSR in 1924. USSR full form Union of Soviet Socialist Russia. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Union of Soviet Socialist USSR. After October Revolution, another important leader, after death of the Lenin death year 1924. After death of the Vladimir Lenin, one of the leader, important powerful leader rise in Russia. The leader name Joseph Stalin. Next topic, rise on Joseph Stalin. Rise Joseph Stalin. Stalin. Rise of Joseph Stalin. Stalin full name Joseph Stalin. After death of Lenin 1924, Russia the most powerful country. Why? The Joseph Stalin followed so many programs, implemented so many programs, so many development programs launched by Stalin in Russia. Stalin followed the twin policies. Stalin followed twin policies. Two policies there. First policy, first theory, rapid industrialization. Russia is a poor country. According to industrially, agriculturally, all categories, Russia is a poor country. Russia became a powerful country. Why? The Stalin followed so many programs, development programs, very important program, twin policies. Twin mean two policies. First policy, rapid industrialization. Rapid industrialization. Second policy is cultivation of agriculture. Cultivation of agriculture. Priority of agriculture and industries there. Stalin introduced the collective farm. Collective farm. Stalin collect the lands from small farmers, big farmers, landlords. The lands collected by village. The village people, the village peasants work in farms. The government provide the tools, machines and animal power. The people, farmers, peasants work in collective farms. That time, so many landlords against the collective farm. That time, Stalin completely suppressed of the landlords, feudal laws. Sometimes landlords also completely imprisonment or death sentences also. collective farm is the major important policy of Stalin policies. Stalin is completely so many programs introduced in Russia. Stalin programs, mainly twin programs. Number one, rapid industrialization. Number two, cultivation, agriculture. I mean development of agriculture. 1924, the Stalin rise in 1924 after death of Lenin. The Stalin completely some important programs introduced. One of the important program, 5-year plans. In the world, first 5-year plans introduced by Stalin. In 1928, the Stalin introduced the 5-year plans. Already India also introduced the 5-year plans inspired of Russia. Our Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, after independent, 5-year plans there. First 5-year plan, priority agriculture. The inspiration of Russia. According to 5-year plan, Russia is economically developed. Especially the Great Depression, 1928 means the Great Depression time. The Great Depression also faced by Russia and escaped of Russia. Escaped of Russia by Stalin. Why? The Russia leader Stalin introduced so many reforms, so many programs. Economical depression is completely escaped of Russia. Okay?